Hi, I'm Debbie, and I'm really excited to tell you about a Beginning Wool Applique class that we are going to offer. We are going to use Cozy Christmas in Wool, which is a great piece to begin with Beginning Wool. What I like about this is you have 12 blocks, and it's not like you do one little wool thing and that's beginning and they show you stuff, but you have 12 blocks that you can use and practice different techniques. So I'm really excited to be using this pattern. This is going to be an 8-month block. Registration is $35. Monthly cost is going to be $19.99. This is going to include all your patterns, all your wool, all your fabrics. This is going to be a 60 by 75 inch throw when you're finished. We will be beginning Tuesday, March the 23rd, and every 4th Tuesday for up to the 8th month. Registration is now open. If you decide that you don't want to do everything per month, you can go ahead and buy this as a kit and have it already. I have the wool for each month separate, so there's no way of getting your wools mixed up. But this is going to be an exciting little venture that we're doing, and I am so looking forward to this. I will be teaching you how to put your wool on your fabrics, how to stitch, different stitches to be used. We also have a little embellishment pack for you to use if you like. Some people like using buttons and beads and stuff like that. Some people do not, but we're including them for you as well. Due to COVID restrictions still going on, this is going to be a virtual video class, and which is really great because if you came to class with me, after we're done, if you had questions, well, you'd have to email or whatever, or try to catch up with me. With a virtual class, you can click, you can stop, you can go back, you can look again. So it's really a very good way to learn a beginning class. I hope that all of you that are interested in beginning wool or wool of any kind, to please sign up. We're going to have a lot of fun doing this, and it is going to be a lovely project when you finish. And you can have it finished before Christmas this year.